What's up everybody? The weekend's almost here and we're back with another video. So if you're watching this video, there's a 100% chance that you've been on the outside around insects and bugs who have gotten on your nerves. Well, what we have today to show you is something that's going to help you out when you're out camping or when you're out in your backyard in the outdoors, and it is called
the Clam escape shelter, and I love it. I need protection by using bug spray, the zapper, whatever I can get, because they just seem to attack. Also the bug spray that we were telling you about called
Bends,
it works really well. It's a little on the oily side, but just rub it in, but it works better than anything that I've used before. And
what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to put that in the description below, the Bends bug spray, and also we're going to put the Clam shelter in the description down below. And we got bugs coming around.
Wait.
Okay, so we're getting ready to start. I'm going to show you how to put the Clam shelter up really quick. It doesn't take long and one person can do it. That's why this is great for one person or two people to put together. So we're going to do that right now. So here you have it, the finished product, and we have to admit we had to cut taping because we did have problems. We had one of the ball locks that came loose, and some of the insides had come loose also, so we had to put that together. But we did want to show you how this tent works. It does work well. It does take two people to put it together if you want to put it together in a matter of minutes. But we want to give this a thumbs up, and we're going to move to the inside and finish this video up. So hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you can check out this tent. It's really nice, and we'll see you in a little while. Bye-bye. All right, we have finished that project. Instead of going inside to finish this video, we decided to stay outside here to get this nice scenery behind us. It did start raining at the end of that video, but it did stop, so we wanted to stay outside to bring this to you. So as you saw, that was an epic fail. It's not a knock on the Clam company, but we had our own problems setting that up. We had some pieces that didn't connect together. We had a ball and socket part that came apart, so it was really difficult for me to set that up by myself, right, Kim?
Yeah, that's right. He was hot. He was
Sweating.
yeah, irritable,
frustrated.
I actually left him and went for a walk.
Yes, but you know, these things happen. We don't live in a perfect world. Things go wrong. And they did. It went wrong for us in this video, but we still have to say that tent is a very good product, correct?
It really is. We normally don't have a problem setting it up, so I don't know. I really don't even know what happened to it.
Yeah. They say that one person can set it up, but I would suggest that you use 2 people if you want to get it set up quickly. One person probably can set it up. It's just going to take a little bit longer. But again, the product is a very nice product, and we enjoy it. We enjoy the Ben's bug repellent, and we do not have any type of affiliation with either one of these companies. They're just products that we like to use, right?
That's right.
All right, anything else we want to talk about?
No, actually, I think that's about it.
Okay, all right. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna end this video this time and look forward to seeing you guys again in the future. We hope again that you like and subscribe. We ask this after every video because it really helps us out in the long run. We've gotten some new subscribers, so we want to thank you guys for subscribing.
Thank you so much.
We really appreciate it. And on that note, we're going to say, here's hoping that you have
a wonderful weekend.
And we'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Gotta get closer.
Oh, sorry.